Hey guys, Teacher from MS Hot Tips. Today a simple, very simple tip on how to print table headers on every page. I just noticed that some people actually don't know how to do that, so let's see how it works. Currently I have a big table, so actually this table is definitely going to take more than one page when I try to print. And this is what we can see when we access the print preview. As you can see, you have your table that actually spans 7 pages. On the second page, you actually lose the headers, and this is what we would like to do. What we would like to do today is to learn how to repeat those headers in every single page. So let's go back to the worksheet. So what you're going to do is just to select the whole table, just like I did, and then go to the page layout, page setup menu group, and then you're going to click on print titles. And here Excel is going to ask you what are the lines to repeat at the top, and you're going to select them. So these are the lines. You click OK, and then let's verify that everything works. Going back to the print preview menu. Oops. Yeah, so we have the headers on the first page, but that was already the case beforehand. And now, as you can see, we have the headers available on every single page that we want to print. So that's it, guys. This is how it works. In summary, first go to the page layout, page setup group, print titles, select the rows to repeat on each page, and check on the print preview whether the result is suitable for you or not. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much, and I see you in the next video.